50 pierogi right here, ready to go. What's up guys? So in this video, we're gonna be eating 50 pierogies. Now I love pierogies because it's something that I grew up with. It's traditional Polish food. And if you don't know what pierogies are, think about it as like a dumpling, but inside it's filled with potatoes. Sometimes it's filled with meat. Sometimes it's filled with, there's dessert ones that are filled with like blueberries, and then they sprinkle powdered sugar and Cool Whip on top. You can really do a lot with these. For me, my personal favorite is the plain one, which is just potatoes, sometimes potato and cheese or potato and onions. So I went out to the store and got potato and cheese and potato and onion. So let's go ahead and make these and tackle 50 of them. So turn that on. Get a little salt in there. All right, so we put the salt in. Put one back. And let's see if we can fit two in there. Hopefully. So we're gonna let it boil for 10 minutes and we'll check back in just a bit. But before we do that, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button down below. That little bell notification will keep you notified anytime we post new content. Really helps the channel grow, guys, and I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. All right, I think we are ready to go. Yep, I think we're good to go, guys. All right, let's hopefully I don't burn myself. I didn't burn myself. All right, so 50 pierogi right here. Okay, so I need to let these cool. As you can see, they are steaming hot. So we'll let these cool for a good 5 minutes. These were boiled, so I don't want any like boiling water to be stuck inside them. So as these are cooling, let me go ahead and tell you the calorie breakdown. Both of these together is 2,667 calories, 25 grams of fat, 83 grams of protein, and 533 grams of carbs. Guess we're carbing up tonight. All right, so I have my water, timer, and then a plate in case I need to cut them in half because maybe they're too hot. And in that case, I didn't let them cool fast enough. All right, so here we go in 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right.
What's up, guys? If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. All right, so if you're this far into the video and you haven't hit that like button, hit that like button and that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel grow and helps the algorithm push my content to more people so they can enjoy it as well. All right, let's get into the video. So as I stated before, pierogies are a traditional Polish food. This is something I enjoyed during the holiday season as a kid. I would eat these all the time. I absolutely love this food. Unfortunately, I didn't get any homemade ones. I had to go out to the store and buy some. Obviously, the homemade is 100 times better than anything store-bought. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. And guys, I wanted to tell you guys that I was supposed to put this out before the new year, but you know how the holidays are, things got busy. So I'm doing this after the new year. Guys, have a happy late new year, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
$6.33. Oh, it's a lot of potatoes. Oh my gosh. I was actually really surprised that I got these down when I checked the clock and it was like 5 minutes. I'm actually doing these pretty fast. Oh my gosh, I'm very full right now though. 2,600 calories worth of just potatoes. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, TikTok, LIFTTOEAT, nutrition coaching, all the links are in the description below. And we'll see you guys next week for another video.